Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix unable to initiate a call. Please try again on WhatsApp. So guys, if you're trying to make a WhatsApp call but you're facing this problem again and again, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open your app store and search here for WhatsApp. So guys, here it is, and from here you have to simply download the latest version of WhatsApp in your device. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update, and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply upgrade your device. So guys, simply upgrade your device and install your WhatsApp in a new device. So guys, do this, and after this your problem will definitely be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.